friends, I'm preparing for NEET exams now itself. So I'm thinking why not to share my topics with you. So let's study together. Today I'm going to tell you the components of blood, a part of circulatory system. Circulatory system. Circulatory system is made up of heart, blood and blood vessels. We all know this. And this circulatory system is useful to transport oxygen, nutrients and hormones to different parts of our body. And here you can see the picture of it. And blood. Before knowing the complex heart, you should know the blood in detail. So the blood is red colored liquid present in our body. It contains a red colored pigment called hemoglobin. And it is a connective tissue which connects one organ with another by supplying nutrients, gases and hormones throughout our body. So next, actually what does blood contain? The blood is composed of both liquid and solid components in it. That is about plasma 55% and formed elements, that means cells and cell fragments 45%. And plasma, it is a yellowish liquid that serves as the transport medium and it is composed of 90 to 92% of water. If we separate plasma and consider it as 100%, 90 to 92% of it is composed of water and remaining 7 to 8% are proteins. These proteins are albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. This fibrinogen is involved in clotting. And this plasma also contains electrolytes, nutrients, waste products, gases, hormones and enzymes. Here you can see the components of blood. Figure. The first layer is plasma 55% and the thin second layer is 1% of platelets and white blood cells, and the most of the red color liquid is red blood cells of 44%. This 1% and 44% are formed elements. Now, if we come to formed elements, 45% of it, they are 45% of the blood volume. These are cells and cell fragments. The major cells and cell fragments are red blood cells, also called as erythrocytes, white blood cells, also called as leukocytes, and platelets, also called as thrombocytes. These platelets involved in clotting. Here you can see the picture. The red color cell is red blood cell and the white color cell is white blood cell, and the fragments that is yellow in color are platelets. And the next, we are going to know these cells and cell fragments in detail. Red blood cells, also called as erythrocytes, they are the most seen cells. They are in the biconcave shape. These are responsible for oxygen and carbon dioxide transport. These cells contain a red colored pigment called hemoglobin which binds with oxygen. The lifespan of these red blood cells is 120 days. The normal range of these cells is 5.4 millions per microliter in males and 4.8 millions per microliter in females. Next, white blood cells, also called as leukocytes. They are the part of the immune system. They will fight against the diseases and infections. Different types of the white blood cells are of different types: neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils and basophils. The normal range of these white blood cells is 5,000 to 10,000. And next, platelets or thrombocytes. These are the cell fragments involved in blood clotting. These platelets have the shortest lifespan compared to all the cells. That is just 5 to 9 days. The normal range of these platelets is 1,50,000 to 4 lakhs. And now we are going to discuss some questions related to this. Which of the following blood cells play an important role in blood clotting? Thrombocytes, neutrophils, leukocytes and erythrocytes. We all know that thrombocytes are also called as platelets and they involve in clotting. So the correct answer is A, thrombocytes. And the next question. This plasma protein is responsible for blood coagulation. Coagulation means clotting. Fibrinogen, globulin, serum amylase and albumin. The protein that responsible for coagulation that is present in the plasma is fibrinogen. The correct answer is fibrinogen, option A. And platelets are also called as thrombocytes. And thrombocytes have a life of, what is the lifespan of thrombocytes? That is option C, 5 to 9 days. And platelets are also called as thrombocytes. It is the wrong answer. And which of the following blood cells play an important role in blood clotting? Thrombocytes, neutrophils, leukocytes and erythrocytes. It is thrombocytes. Nothing but platelets. And next, what is the lifespan of RBCs? 120 days, 240 days. As long as the organism lives, RBCs never die. The correct answer is 120 days. Okay, this is the complete chapter of components of blood. If you understand it, like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you.